Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're diving into some amazing IKEA hidden gems. These products are practical, stylish, and perfect for giving your space that extra wow factor. All the links are in the description, and a big thank you to all our new subscribers. You guys are the best. Let's jump right in. Meet the LISTERBY console table, your new home essential. With its gorgeous dark brown beach veneer and sleek design, it's the perfect fit for any room. Hallway, living room, or bedroom. And it's not just a looker, it's super practical too. Double the storage? Yes, please. Use the lower shelf for books, decor, or all your essentials. The airy, compact design blends seamlessly with any furniture, and the lacquered finish? It ensures lasting beauty. Those rounded edges and rich tones are so timeless. You're going to love it. Why settle for ordinary when you can have the extraordinary? The VÅGHÖJD floor lamp is here to wow your space with its innovative design. It's like having a pendant lamp, but standing tall. Adjust the arm and lamp head for just the right lighting. Romantic dinner? Relaxing evening? You got it. Oh, and the slim base? It slides right under your sofa, saving space while giving you flexible, eco-friendly LED light. This isn't just a lamp, it's an ambiance creator. Your room deserves it. Cooking just got way cooler with the GUNSTIG magnetic trivet. This clever little gadget attaches to your pots and pans, staying right where you need it. No more juggling hot cookware or risking burns. Phew! Its compact size and chic red and dark gray design make it as stylish as it is practical. Perfect for induction cooktops or any busy kitchen, it's a total game changer. If you love cooking, this is a must-have. Inspired by pro chefs, the KUNGSFORS knife rack is what your kitchen needs. Keep your knives sharp, organized, and always within arm's reach. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's even perfect for high humidity areas. Pair it with the KUNGSFORS suspension rail for a sleek, functional kitchen. Save countertop space and get that effortlessly professional look you've always wanted. The KUNGSFORS magnetic clips are a total game changer. Made from durable stainless steel, they're perfect for hanging recipes, shopping lists, or even photos. Free up that precious countertop space and let your creativity flow. These clips are practical, stylish, and ready to take your kitchen organization to the next level, even in high humidity areas. Love fresh juice? You'll love the KORKEN Sifter funnel set. Mash your fruits and berries, let the juice flow into a bottle, and enjoy delicious homemade goodness. With stainless steel durability and dishwasher-safe convenience, this set is an absolute must for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. Fresh juice just got so much easier. Ready to upgrade your home with smarter living? The TREDANSEN cellular blinds are here for it. They block out light, insulate against drafts, and help regulate temperature for year-round comfort. And guess what? Control is literally at your fingertips with the remote or the IKEA Home Smart app. No cords equals more safety, and the modern sleek design will look amazing in any space. If you love convenience and cutting-edge style, these blinds are calling your name. No more messy fridges. The KLIPPKAKTUS Storage Box is here to save the day. Designed to use the space under your fridge shelves, it keeps everything tidy. Fruits, veggies, cheese, you name it. The pull-out design makes grabbing snacks so easy, and the transparent material helps you spot everything at a glance. Fridge organization just got an upgrade. Hosting a barbecue or party? The GRILLTIDER serving basket has you covered. Serve fries and finger foods in style with its sleek stainless steel design. It screams professional chic while staying lightweight and durable. Stackable and practical, it's perfect for backyard gatherings or picnics. A little restaurant magic right in your home. The GRILLTIDER Dip Bowl is a stainless steel essential. Serve your favorite sauces and dips with style, whether it's a barbecue, party, or everyday meal. Lightweight, easy to clean, and oh so sleek. This bowl is a tabletop winner. Meet the LÄMPLIG Trivet, your kitchen's heat-proof hero. Made from durable stainless steel, it's here to protect your dining table or countertops from hot pots, pans, and dishes. The rubber feet, they prevent scratches and keep surfaces cool. Practical and stylish, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen. A must-have for anyone who loves a tidy, functional space. Say goodbye to clutter with the SOCKERBIT Storage Box. This sleek white box is perfectly designed to fit under your bed, making it the ideal solution for clothes, linens, or those seasonal items you just don't know where to put. The sturdy lid locks securely in place, keeping your belongings safe from dust and dirt. And with 2 convenient label areas, you'll never have to guess what's inside. Simple? Yes. Practical? Absolutely. The SOCKERBIT box is a total game changer for anyone wanting a tidy home without sacrificing style. Meet your new drying assistant, the SLIBB Hanger. This clever green hanger with 8 grip clips is a lifesaver for drying socks, underwear, or small garments. Its secure, wavy clip design keeps everything in place, no slipping here. And removal? It's a total breeze. Plus, its flat, lightweight design makes it perfect for home and travel. The TÅGVIRKE LED Spotlight is here to illuminate your world. Whether you're crafting, cooking, or enjoying the outdoors, this flexible design has you covered. Need to clamp it, attach it magnetically? It's all possible. The adjustable arms and USB-C charging port make it super convenient, while the large, easy-to-use switch means no fuss, just light wherever you need it. Indoors or out, this is your go-to for brilliant lighting. The TREDANSEN lithium-ion screwdriver is an absolute game-changer for DIY lovers. Its compact, ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand, whether you're assembling furniture or tackling quick repairs around the house. Struggling with dimly lit spaces? Not anymore. The built-in LED light has you covered. And the magnetic top? It keeps your bits and screws secure and right where you need them. This screwdriver combines power, precision, and convenience, all in one perfect tool. A must-have for your toolbox. Fixing watches, eyeglasses, or tiny gadgets has never been easier than with the TREDANSEN 25-piece precision screwdriver set. Featuring a magnetic handle, a rotating top, and super durable bits, this set makes every repair feel like a breeze. Plus, the magnetic, stackable box keeps everything organized and ready to go. Compact? Check. Practical? Check. Made with recycled materials? Double check. It's perfect for tackling all the little details of life. Step up your DIY game with the TREDANSEN lithium-ion screwdriver drill. Whether you're working with wood, plastic, or even soft metals, this powerful tool can handle it all. Its ergonomic design and rubber grip mean it's super comfortable to use, while the built-in LED light ensures you're always on point, even in dim spaces. Ready to take on your next project? The TREDANSEN 20-piece drill and bit set has everything you need. Screwing, drilling? This set fits your TREDANSEN drill or any standard toolbox like a glove. The magnetic, stackable case makes it so easy to grab and go. Convenient, organized, and ready when you are. The TRIXIG 5-piece hole saw set is your go-to for creating neat holes in wood-based materials, perfect for cables or pipes. It's easy to use, eco-friendly, and designed to simplify your projects while keeping your workspace tidy. Your DIY projects will thank you. Stay charged and clutter-free with the LISTERBY USB charger. Clamp it to your desk, stick it magnetically to a surface. It's that flexible. With 3 USB ports, you can power up multiple devices at once. Compact, practical, and oh so efficient, this charger is a must-have for your home or workspace. And that's it for today's Hidden Gems. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab these incredible finds. Thank you to all our new subscribers. We couldn't do this without you. See you in the next video.